Here's everything you need to know about Soft99's QJUTSU Ultrasoft Sponge. Its name is not just a slogan. QJUTSU Ultrasoft Sponge is made of an incredibly gentle material, offering a stark contrast to commonly found supermarket car sponges. Consisting of tens of thousands of microcells that are imperceptible to the touch, the sponge is made of 3 layers, each with a different role. The checkered structure is the top layer that comes in contact with the vehicle. The reduced contact area makes it easier to move the sponge over the surface, and the recessed areas hold more foam. The middle layer has increased permeability. When you squeeze a sponge soaked in a shampoo solution, it's the middle part that pumps the air and helps you generate more foam. This is something that a classic microfiber mitt can't do. The last smooth layer sits directly under the hand and has a much lower permeability. It ensures that the entire water shampoo solution doesn't leak out and goes straight onto the vehicle. QJUTSU Ultrasoft Sponge will be perfect to try washing the car the Japanese way. Prepare a bucket of clean water, dip this sponge and apply QJUTSU shampoo directly to the sponge. Squeeze it to make some foam and get to work. Try the QJUTSU Ultrasoft Sponge yourself and discover why it made pro detailers enjoy using a car sponge again. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.